Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why I buy silver from QuickSilver. But before I get started, this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, there's several reasons why I buy my silver from QuickSilver. And the first reason is because, they make it so easy, right? They have what they call, and actually, before I even get started into this, the reason I'm doing this video is because somebody asked me in one of my comments the other day where everybody buys and sells their silver. So I thought this would be a good time to talk about not only why I buy my silver from QuickSilver, but why I'm involved with it just in general. So they make it super easy to buy, all right? And they have something there for everybody's budget. They don't have, 5,000 different products like a lot of these other online precious metal places have. They have basically what the average silver stacker buys, right? So they make it really simple. The whole process is simple, and they allow you to set up what they call an auto wealth delivery so that you can have silver sent to your doorstep every month on autopilot. And I really like that about this because you can set it and forget it and not worry about, you don't even have to think about it. Like I always say, it's like having taxes taken out of your paycheck, or having money taken out of your paycheck to go into your health savings account or to a 401k. You don't even have to think about it. And I love that aspect of it. Another reason why I buy from QuickSilver is because they take part of their profits and they send them to a certain percent of the profits to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that feeds starving children and families all across the globe. All right, so it's kind of like, we're stacking precious metals, assets, appreciating assets, and we're doing charitable work at the same time, which I just love that, I just love being knowing that every time I make a purchase, or every time one of my referrals makes a purchase, or anytime anybody in general makes a purchase from QuickSilver, part of that profits are going to feed starving children, right? How cool is that, to be able to help starving children all across the globe? Another reason I like it is because you can actually sell your silver and gold, whatever you buy from them, back to QuickSilver. They'll buy it. They have a buyback program, right? So you don't have to worry about liquidating your silver or gold, right? Whatever you buy from QuickSilver, the company will buy back from you if and when you want to sell it. So that's all. So you can do all of your buying and selling right through QuickSilver, right? There's no need to go to any other place. And it just makes it super convenient. You don't have to, I know a lot of people live if you live in bigger areas and cities. I live in a small city here. It's not even a city, it's a small town. And, the closest coin shop for me is about 40 minutes away. So it's more convenient for me to just go, if I were to ever sell silver, which I don't. I've never sold any silver or anything that I bought from QuickSilver. I'm holding on to it for my future grandchildren. That's my plan. So I don't, I'm not in the market to sell it, but if I ever had to, QuickSilver makes it easy to do it. It's more convenient for me. I don't even have to leave my house, right? So those are some of the reasons why I use QuickSilver, okay? And then on top of all that, if you want to become a wealth ambassador and share the opportunity with other people, you can do so, right? You can do so. And they'll pay you up to 7 different ways for sharing the opportunity with other people. So it's a combination of all those reasons why I buy my silver through QuickSilver, because essentially what I do is I share QuickSilver with everybody by giving away a free piece of silver, which you can do. There'll be a link down below this video. You just go to freesilverbar.com. Give away a free piece of silver. Some of those people that buy the silver, that's all they ever do. Others, they join as a preferred customer and you get membership pricing. And then some of them go on to become wealth ambassadors like I am, and they go and share the opportunity with others, and they make money like I do. I make commissions, and the company allows you to use your commissions to purchase more silver and gold, right? So that's what I do. I've never withdrawn any of my money from QuickSilver. I've been yesterday was 1 year that I've been with this opportunity with this company. Okay, so I've never withdrawn any money from QuickSilver. All my commissions have gone right back into purchasing more product. So it's a no-brainer to me. I mean, there's no hidden fees or surprises like some of these other companies. Shipping's a standard $7.77 on all orders. If you order $199 or more, you get free shipping, which is pretty much the industry standard. But the $7.77 shipping is the cheapest shipping out there in all the precious metal companies, okay? And then our prices are very competitive, and sometimes, most of the time, they're cheaper than buying directly from the mint, right? Or from other companies. So I just love everything about the opportunity. You can get in touch with the owners. They have excellent customer support. They get right back to you. They do 3 Zoom calls every single week. And, you know, it's just, they're always bringing in new products and things like that. And there's something, like I said, something there for everybody and for everybody's budget. So those are just, you know, the real reasons why I choose QuickSilver. I love the company. I love the business side of it, the opportunity. And I really love the fact that we're helping feed starving children all across the country. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I hope that this answers the person's questions, where I buy and where I sell. I don't sell, but, you know, you can sell right back to QuickSilver. So it's just super convenient. It just is very convenient to go through them. And like all the other reasons I mentioned, you know. So that's it. You go check out freesilverbar.com, get a free piece of silver. You pay $2.74 to ship it. If you watched my live video last night, because a lot of people, they complain, they're like, oh, it's not free. You know, you have to pay shipping. Well, on my last night's video, I went to another company online. The same exact gram bar of silver was $7, and it was $9.95 to have it shipped. All right? So essentially $17 to have the same piece of silver shipped to your doorstep. All right? You pay $2.74, and that's it. So they're giving you a free silver bar to help you jumpstart your silver stacking journey. Okay? So reach out if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.